Good morning and welcome to YeeFit Adventures. My name's Darren and this channel is about backpacking, gear reviews, and finding your next adventure. And this is going to be a quick video. We are here at the airport. You ready? We're going to go on vacation. I'll insert some quick videos of us going through TSA pre-check. So stay tuned.
Not yet. Yeah, 6:45, right? Okay. I'll go 6:45.
We are here at the Sacramento International Airport. We just finished going through the TSA pre-check. Everything went smoothly. We got to keep our shoes on. Our bags went through the scanners. And there's Joe's foot. But we got through with the Leatherman Style PS. There we go. We got through. And our multi-tool went through. It was approved and we didn't have any hassles or issues. I just had it clipped onto my backpack. I didn't want it to be tucked in a bag or anything, or a pouch that I had to undo. So if they did have to ask any questions, I could pull it out really quick. And Joe's just showing the scissors right there. It went by pretty smoothly. We're just here waiting for our airplane, our flight, our departure for Hawaii. We're excited for this trip. It's been a long time since we went back to Hawaii. This is Joe's first time, right?
Alright, I'm taking
excited,
Joe?
Yep. You got some pliers there? Alright. So, we just want to thank you for watching this quick video of us going through TSA pre-check with the Leatherman Style PS. If you like more content like this, please check it out. I got my other video of the comparison between the Leatherman Style CS versus PS. You can check out in the description or on my channel. So thanks for watching. Everyone take care, stay safe, and let's find your next adventure. Say bye, Joe.
Bye.